Hey there, today I have this outside light. It's a smart LED light that I'm going to be installing. It's a super easy installation. In fact, it's one of the easiest installations that you can have on a light. All of the light casing is all one piece, so there's no need to take it apart or anything like that. It just is all together. It's extremely bright. We're going to be installing it and showing you all the different features, but one of the coolest features about this light is that it works with the smartphone. And so you can download the app that's found within the manual and connect it to this light, and you can change the colors and the themes of this light with just your phone, which is really cool. I'm going to show you that a little bit later. But as far as the installation of this goes, as I mentioned, it's super simple because it's just a single bracket and the wiring. So there's no extra things to do on it, which is a really nice addition. One thing I really like about this light is the style of light. It's a nice, slim, modern look to it. And it's got the nice matte black look to it, which is a neutral color. It's timeless. It's going to last you a long time. And then it has integrated LED, so I don't have to worry about changing the bulbs or anything like that. It's just all in all a really nice outside lamp for anywhere you put it, on the front porch, back porch, whatever. And you can have just a nice classic look, or you can get a little bit more festive with the themes that comes with the app. So definitely a really cool find. So let's go ahead and get this installed and show you just how great it is. So as you can see, this is a really nice light to have. You can control everything by the app. It's really cool. It has a bunch of themes, different colors and everything. And this is a great light to have on the porch here. It gives off a good mood. You can have it brighter or dimmer, and you can have a lot of customization with it. So if you're looking for a new porch light, I'd definitely check this one out. It's going to be a great fit for you. Thanks for watching.